Hi, good morning. Today I want to tell you that I used to manifest things even before I learned the law of attraction. But there are three major differences in the way I used to manifest before I learned the law of attraction and the way I do it now after learning the law of attraction. The first difference is before I learned law of attraction, I used to ask God to give me things. But I never used to be very clear about what I really wanted. And things used to happen. But now, after learning the law of attraction, I have learned to set clear-cut goals. I take daily actions on it, and I know very clearly what I want for me and what I want in my life. So, the law of attraction has given me the clarity and the direction, and I have started writing the goals. I have started measuring my progress as well as the end result. This is the first major difference. Second difference is before I learned the law of attraction, I used to chase something very desperately. I wanted it very desperately from the root of my heart, but throughout the day I used to think about it, and I never used to get it when I chased it very desperately. But when I used to leave it, when I used to make up my mind so that if I get that thing and if I doesn't get it, it doesn't make any difference to me, then somehow I used to get that thing. And I now know the difference because after learning the law of attraction, I came to know that if you become desperate about something, you don't manifest that thing. That thing goes away from you. But once you believe that you have asked and you will get it, you are definitely going to get it. And the third major difference was before I learned this law, whenever I used to think about the thing I don't want, I used to manifest it because I was giving my energy to it. Now I know I don't give any energy to the things I don't want. I just focus on what I want and I take away all the energy from things I don't want. So I don't manifest in my life the things I don't need, I don't want. So this is the major difference. Now I know where to keep my focus, where to keep my energy, how to define my goals very clearly, and the most important thing is don't become desperate about it. Just write it, visualize it, and leave it to the universe. Slowly or in time, the universe will give that thing to you. This is my learning. So you also can learn from your experience and start manifesting the things you want in your life. Thank you so much.